Hello, everyone. In this video, we will discuss derivatives of trigonometric functions. Derivatives of trigonometric functions. These are the derivatives of the 6 basic trigonometric functions. X is measured in radians, and it belongs in the domain of the trigonometric function. Let us review some trigonometric identities. Reciprocal identities. Reduction identities. Pythagorean identities. Double angle identities. Half angle identities. Sum, difference identities. Examples. Find the derivative. Number 1. F of theta equals 7 times the sine of theta minus 1/2 of cosine of theta. Solution. F prime of theta is the derivative of f with respect to theta. Apply the difference and constant multiple rules. And differentiate using trigonometric function rules. Thus, f prime of theta equals 7 times the cosine of theta plus 1/2 of sine of theta. Number 2. F of x equals 1/2 of the secant of x over 2 times the cosecant of x over 2. Solution. To simplify the differentiation process, rewrite f of x using the reciprocal double angle identity, where alpha equals x over 2. F of x becomes the cosecant of x, whose derivative is easier to find than the given f of x. F prime of x is the derivative of f with respect to x. Differentiate using a trigonometric function rule. Hence, f prime of x equals the negative of cosecant of x times the cotangent of x. Number 3. Y equals the sine of 2x all over 1 plus the cosine of 2x. Solution. To simplify the differentiation process, rewrite y using a half-angle identity, where alpha equals 2x. Y becomes the tangent of x, whose derivative is easier to find than the given y. dy dx is the derivative of y with respect to x. Differentiate using a trigonometric function rule. Therefore, the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to the square of secant x. Number 4. G of x equals 1 plus 3 times the cosine of negative x all over 5 times the sine of negative x. Solution. To simplify the differentiation process, rewrite g of x using reduction identities. Divide each term in the numerator by the denominator. And use another set of trigonometric identities that lead to easier differentiation. g of x becomes the negative 1/5 of the cosecant of x minus 3/5 of the cotangent of x. g prime of x is the derivative of g with respect to x. Apply the difference and constant multiple rules. And differentiate using trigonometric function rules. Simplify the derivative by factoring out common factors. Consequently, g prime of x equals 1/5 of cosecant of x times the sum of the cotangent of x and 3 times the cosecant of x. Number 5. Y equals x squared times the tangent of x. Solution. dy dx is the derivative of y with respect to x. Apply the product rule. And differentiate using basic differentiation and trigonometric function rules. Simplify the derivative by factoring out a common factor. Therefore, the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to x times the quantity 2 times the tangent of x plus x times the secant squared of x. Number 6. F of phi equals the cosine of phi all over the sine of phi minus 1. Solution. df d phi is the derivative of f with respect to phi. Apply the quotient rule. And differentiate using a trigonometric function rule. Simplify the derivative. Multiply the factors in the numerator. Use the Pythagorean theorem to simplify the numerator. And divide out a common factor. Hence, the derivative of f with respect to phi is equal to 1 all over the quantity sine of phi minus 1. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to Professor Reginald's channel to get the latest updates.